day number 5 and we are not on the car anymore. We took a fucking boat, but we're still in Turkey.
Near each other. And we were at Fethiye Gulf. Now we are getting Göcek Gulf. So these are the islands, Göcek Islands. After we stop first 45 minutes, you can swim or visit.
That one looks like a whale.
Da gene git yanaşacağız o zaman.
Shit drunk to pay for my flight ticket to come to Cambodia. 900 euro.
Dediğiniz gibi denize girebilirsiniz. Geminin arka tarafından merdiven indirdik.
Ici c'est parfait, Paul. Allez, vas-y. Mais non, mais it's nothing. 1, 2, 3. Olé! Dream. It's cold or not?
Go on, darling, you want to jump?
I have my little socks.
Jump with the thing, no? Yeah.
Allez, 1, 2, 3.
Don't jump from that.
Okay.
It's also shallow.
Oh no, I want this side.
This one's better.
You're a bad one.
But no, the light is not good. Look, is, you know? No, it's all the same anyways. Okay, you can go. You don't want?
Oh, come on. You can do it. You want me to film you or you want to jump with the camera?
I don't want.
Throw you the camera.
Darling, I'm going to push you.
You coming?
No.
Allez, we
I'm
swim
gonna
together.
I'm going to get a beer.
Fucking British.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Wait.
1, 3.
Oh my god, it smells like fish. Paul, where are you? Allez, I'm filming you. Come on. Allez. Guys. Bir, içe, dude, bir. It's not cold. Ouch. Le mec, j'ai fait le décompte en turc. Ah, il est so cute. Allez, c'est parti mon kiki.
There's like millions of... Do you want a beer? We can throw it over.
Yeah,
You want a beer?
yeah.
You want 2 more?
Oh non, putain, il a give up le mec.
You want FN?
Up to you, my love. Beer, Iche, Ougoud, ouais. Bravo, 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 bravo. Steven, il parle, non? My love, I like any beers, it's okay. Allez, beer, Iche, Ougoud. Allez. Non, je crois que j'ai dit 1, 2, 9. Congratulations! Congratulations, guys! Congratulations! It's not cold. You think it's cold? No. Where do you come from? Ugur, Captain. Nah. So we are on a boat trip in Island Paradise, which is one of the 12 island boat tour that we are doing. These are our people for the day. This is our boat, the bravest Turkish, and we are just surrounded by island. The water is so transparent. We are in October and we are swimming. Life is a dream. Keep sleeping, everyone. Are you English?
English shops, things, English shops, things. It's not good.
I have cameramanning everyone. The guy walked past actually.
How long are you here for?
So we came. Allez! Cholma, I can tease. Allez! Sherife. Another British.
Hello, Bristol. Hello,
Bristol. Nice.
He's from Colchester.
But I lived in Bristol for 6 years.
Do you know the university? The
Yeah.
Bristol University.
Fucking blue, my
So
lord.
where it's all happening is
Very tasty. Living a dream.
Stick a load of chicken breast in the oven. The croissant is bigger.
Ouais, bien joué, well done. Magnifique. Living a dream, like always. Hein. Flat Island.
Un elefante muy elegante, la trompa muy larga, la trompa.
Like the new tripod.
Maybe they have them here. Holiday place.
Yeah, we can have a look, that's true. Non, mais c'est chiant à Goa, il y a air. Enfin, we live 1 hour.
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, it's just casinos and. Ça, il y a des îles partout, c'est ouf. Siesta, siesta.